Hi guys, it's Lindsay, aka Makeup and Mobility, a channel where we like to focus on makeup and disability advocacy. In today's video, you guys are going to see me. I got my first tattoo. Here was the inspiration photo. I think mine turned out a whole lot better, but that was the inspiration photo. If you're in the Tulsa or Wausau area, I recommend going to Crybaby Ink and seeing Caroline. She was absolutely fantastic. So here are pictures of me actually getting the tattoo. And here they co-banded my arm down, and you guys can see I got Love Life with the wheelchair heart being the O. And I think it's very me, very Lindsay. And I just really like it. I think it represents me very well. And I really enjoyed it. They were very accessible, very willing to work with me, and I really like it. And I just am so excited. I'm already planning my next one. And you guys can see the tattoo here in all its glory. And I hope you guys find beauty in advocacy and keep rolling on. I love you guys. Bye.